There's a legend of a creature that makes the bravest hearts stick. In the dead of night, when the moon is high, you can hear the howling echo, you can see the glowing eyes. Black Dog of Meriden, shadow in the night, prowling through the darkness, giving all the fright. Black Dog of Meriden, with eyes that pierce the soul, a guardian or a harbinger, no one really knows. Folks say he's a phantom, a ghostly spectral hound, appearing when the danger's near, without making a sound. Some believe he's cursed, others say he's blessed, but when the black dog comes around, you'll never find your rest. Black Dog of Meriden, shadow in the night, prowling through the darkness, giving all the fright. Black Dog of Meriden, with eyes that pierce the soul, a guardian or a harbinger, no one really knows. Through the misty streets and the haunted lanes, he roams the town unbound by chains. A silent watcher in the night, a legend old and true. When the black dog crosses your path, there's nothing you can do. Black Dog of Meriden, shadow in the night, prowling through the darkness, giving all the fright. Black Dog of Meriden, with eyes that pierce the soul, a guardian or a harbinger, no one really knows. So heed the tale of Meriden and beware the foggy veil. For when the black dog comes to call, it's not just a fairy tale. Whether friend or foe, no one can tell. But the black dog of Meriden has cast his timeless spell. So heed the tale of Meriden and beware of the foggy veil. For when the black dog comes to call, it's not just a fairy tale. Whether friend or foe, no one can tell. But the black dog of Meriden has cast his timeless spell.